The most reliable SUVs on the road today aren't the ones with the highest price tags. They're these hidden gems under $20,000. This list is based on Consumer Reports reliability ratings, actual maintenance records from repair shops, and long-term ownership experiences, not just initial quality surveys. Which luxury SUV on our list costs less than $20,000, yet still provides the comfort and reliability of models twice its price? Stay tuned to find out, because number 3 on our list might surprise you. A vehicle that consistently outperforms its more popular rival despite getting less attention. Starting at number 10 on our list is the 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander with the V6 engine. Most people overlook Mitsubishi when shopping for SUVs, but that's actually good news for savvy buyers like you. It means you can get a dependable vehicle without the premium price tag. The Outlander features a smooth 3.0-liter V6 engine producing 224 horsepower paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Despite offering 3 rows of seating, this SUV still delivers about 23 miles per gallon combined, with available all-wheel drive for various road conditions. What makes the Outlander special is its comfortable highway ride and below-radar status that keeps prices reasonable. For under $20,000, you're getting a spacious, capable SUV that won't empty your wallet at the repair shop. But if 3 rows are more than you need, you might be interested in our next entry. At number 9, we have the 2019 Mazda CX-5. If you've wondered which affordable SUV actually feels premium to drive, here's your answer. Mazda has positioned itself as the affordable brand with near luxury qualities. With a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, 187 horsepower, and 6-speed automatic, the CX-5 balances performance and efficiency at 24 miles per gallon city/30 highway. What sets the CX-5 apart is its upscale interior rivaling luxury brands, plus Mazda's engaging driving dynamics. Consumer Reports ranks it as a top pick. Looking for something with more muscle? Wait until you hear about number 8. Number 8 on our list is the 2019 Honda Passport. Talk about an underrated gem. The Passport shares its platform and powertrain with the larger Pilot, but in a more manageable package. Under the hood, you'll find a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine generating 280 horsepower, plenty of power for highway passing or tackling steep grades. Despite its power, the Passport still achieves a reasonable 21 miles per gallon combined. What makes this SUV special is its under-the-radar status within Honda's lineup. While everyone knows about the CR-V, the Passport creates an opportunity for informed buyers. Owners report minimal issues even as mileage climbs, and its smooth ride and capable handling make it perfect for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. Want something that blends SUV practicality with car-like comfort? You'll want to hear about our next entry. Coming in at number 7 are the 2013 to 2015 Toyota Venza models with the V6 engine. This unique vehicle blends car comfort with SUV utility. The 2013 refresh gave it a contemporary look that still holds up today. The 3.5-liter V6 delivers 268 horsepower with smooth performance. Consumer Reports awarded the 2014 model a perfect 5 out of 5 for reliability, a rare distinction. While fuel economy isn't stellar at around 20 miles per gallon combined, repair savings easily offset this. The Venza's comfortable driving position with car-like handling makes it perfect for those wanting SUV practicality without truck-like driving dynamics. Its discontinued status creates great used market value. Looking for luxury without breaking the bank? Our next entry deserves attention. The number 6 spot belongs to the 2015 to 2016 Acura RDX. Here's where we start getting into luxury territory while still staying under that $20,000 budget. The RDX is essentially Honda reliability wrapped in a premium package, featuring a refined 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 279 horsepower paired with a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Despite its luxury status, the RDX achieves a respectable 23 miles per gallon combined. What makes this Acura special is its perfect balance of luxury, performance, and reliability, a combination that's remarkably hard to find, especially at this price point. Now, Consumer Reports consistently approves of the RDX, with owners reporting minimal mechanical issues even after years of ownership. Its upscale interior, comfortable ride, and solid resale value make it a smart choice for budget-conscious buyers who don't don't want to sacrifice comfort or status. But if all-weather capability is your priority, you'll want to hear about our next contender. For the number 5 position, we have the 2020 Subaru Crosstrek. If you live in an area with harsh winters or enjoy outdoor adventures, the Crosstrek might be your perfect match. This compact SUV comes standard with Subaru's acclaimed all-wheel drive system, making it exceptionally capable when road conditions deteriorate.
Powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, the Crosstrek isn't going to win drag races, but what it lacks in power, it makes up for in efficiency and all-weather competence. You'll enjoy about 30 miles per gallon combined, impressive for an all-wheel drive vehicle. If you're enjoying this breakdown of reliable SUVs, consider subscribing for more content that helps you avoid costly car buying mistakes. Consumer Reports consistently recommends the Crosstrek for its practical design and versatility. It handles light off-road adventures while remaining comfortable for daily driving. But if you want the gold standard in the compact SUV segment, our next entry has been setting the benchmark for decades. Moving up to number 4, we find the 2019 Toyota RAV4. The 2019 model represents a complete redesign that transformed the RAV4 from sensible but bland to stylish and capable. Its 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, 203 horsepower, with 8-speed automatic delivers confident performance and excellent 30 miles per gallon combined efficiency. The RAV4's ground-up redesign brought a more rugged appearance and improved capabilities. It comes loaded with standard safety features and impressive cargo space, making it perfect for families and outdoor enthusiasts. As we approach our top 3, remember that number 3 might surprise you. It's a vehicle that often gets overshadowed in the spotlight, despite outperforming its rivals in key areas. Let's see what earned that position. Our number 3 pick is the 2019 Honda CR-V. The surprise vehicle that often lives in the RAV4's shadow, despite offering numerous advantages. While the RAV4 gets more attention, the CR-V quietly delivers class-leading cargo space, superior interior design, and better overall refinement. The CR-V offers either a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine or a 2.4-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder, delivering about 29 miles per gallon combined. What truly sets it apart is Honda's thoughtful engineering. Smart storage solutions, a smoother ride, and more usable interior space than its Toyota rival. The CR-V lacks the RAV4's rugged styling that attracts so much attention, but provides a more sophisticated driving experience and practical interior that actual owners appreciate far more day to day. Looking for something larger with modern technology? Our runner-up might be perfect. And in the runner-up position at number 2, we have the 2022 Ford Edge. As the newest vehicle on our list, you're getting modern technology and safety features while staying under $20,000. Standard all-wheel drive and a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder with 8-speed automatic transmission deliver 21 City 28 highway MPG. The Edge hits the sweet spot between compact and midsize SUVs, more spacious than a RAV4 or CR-V without the bulk of a 3-row model. Its advanced safety features would cost thousands extra on older models, while its comfortable interior and user-friendly tech make it ideal for families. But our top luxury pick with mainstream dependability might surprise you. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the 2015 Lexus RX. This luxury SUV delivers premium comfort with mainstream dependability at an affordable price. Its silky smooth 3.5-liter V6 engine, 270 horsepower, provides a quiet, refined driving experience, rivaling much newer luxury vehicles. The RX achieves about 21 miles per gallon combined, while offering an unmatched combination of luxury and longevity. This is the vehicle mechanics rarely see despite high mileage. It routinely exceeds 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. With its ultra-quiet cabin and refined ride, it proves you can have luxury and reliability under $20,000. Quick honorable mention, the 2017 Toyota Highlander. With its 295 horsepower V6 engine and top reliability scores, it's perfect for families needing 3 rows while still getting reasonable 22 miles per gallon combined efficiency. There you have it. The most reliable SUVs you can buy for under $20,000. Each of these vehicles proves that you don't need to break the bank to get reliability, safety, and performance. With proper care, these SUVs offer exceptional long-term value while providing comfort, style, and peace of mind. Which of these reliable SUVs surprised you the most, and which one would you consider for your next vehicle? Let's discuss in the comments below.